Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIE-based homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1, and our today's topic is Arabic number 11 to 20. Okay students, now let's see the board. Topic Arabic number 11 to 20, term annual 21, lecture number 21, SW number also will be 21. Okay students, now let's start our today's topic. Here in English number is written. We have to write Arabic number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay students, I repeat: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And SW topic will be same. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.